Sangrongsalo Rajakhor Aguli Pragna Bhavano Khlaijakha 50 International Agarwood Conclave and Buyer Seller Conference Panda Pandao Naruwai Okra Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Abohaikhe Manjakha Mantri Animesh Debbarma Khobwi Forest Department Kubun Adongrok
Abni Aguli National Pandao Sanathinga Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Hasteni Agorno International Trade and Research Center Sangrongsalo Northeast Council Arshobaisan Fithin Khorang Mari Research Sangrongsalo Henge Kabangko Khorang Subasumana Hine Abohaikhe Northern Kotam Tolawa Agor Market Sanamsak Tongo.
Standing in a city whose very name tells our story, that is Agartala, the land of Agar. And because of this Agar, this Agartala has been named. Already my former speakers already have mentioned about it. The royal families of Tripura named this capital after the fragrant trees of Agar that once filled this region completely. Now that has been shifted to North Tripura and Unakoti district too. This is not marketing, this is history. Agarwood is woven into Tripura's identity, culture and way of life. You will be happy to know that whenever I meet our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, he often asks about Agarwood and he takes personal interest in this sector. Already my previous speaker already have mentioned that how much he has emphasized for the growth of this Agarwood in northeastern region and particularly in Tripura. The agar tree, its botanical name is Ecularia species that belongs to fungi kingdom. We know it, and it produces agarwood, a dark, fragrant, resinous wood formed when the tree gets infected by this mold, that is this fungi. We didn't have any idea, although we belong to Agartala or from Tripura, that this kind of agar also will be our future. This GSTB will be increased because of that. Now creating, by this inoculation of this mold, creating a highly prized material for incense, perfumes, and even traditional medicine too, especially valued in Asia and Middle East. Native to Southeast Asia, this tropical evergreen trees develops agarwood as a defense mechanism. There is action-reaction, and because of that it happens, making it a rare and expensive, leading to cultivation and artificial inoculation methods to meet global demand for its precious oil and wood. You must be knowing everything, just because I have to tell something, so that's why I am also telling. For maturity, and because I was a teacher in a college, so I have to tell as a teacher, and audience is my students. I feel so, I don't know. So for maturity and production, it requires about 7 to 10 years or more to produce agarwood. But what my previous speakers, they have mentioned, particularly our Honorable Forest Minister, he has mentioned about it. This kind of success completely depends on technical expertise.
Ashli Pandao Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Karibu Manjakha Bolong Mantri Animesh Debbarma Khobwi Bolong Bidding Kubun Adongrok Rajakhor Aguli Nishimi Pronamni Koktum Chini Khorang